Who's Morph?
Who is he? He's the first character that we created. Before him, there had been a series of characters that would appear for 20 seconds and then never be seen again. This one started out as a piece of modelling clay, which is what he's made of, and actually he had a specific role. He appeared as a kind of a funny man in an arts programme with a live action presenter. The live action presenter was an artist, and I think the producer thought he was brilliant but a bit dull, and so Morph was put in for some jokes, for some slapstick, for some comedy, and he evolved over the course of 2 or 3 years, and so he's the first character with characteristics that we ever created. And I'm sure you've heard this before, but I think it's true. You get to a stage where you ask yourself not what shall I do now, but what would Morph do now? And like when you've got to that stage, then you've got a character on your hands, and he's just made of modelling clay, like he looks like he is. So I can make him in about 15-20 minutes, and in that time you've got a perfectly good working animation puppet. I mean, slightly annoying because he does fall over, but still a working puppet. And I think that's a good thing. And he's made of clay. He's made by hand. He's not perfect, and that's part of our philosophy too. Like perfection isn't very interesting.